as the world leader in Lingzhi-based products. Indeed, it is a coveted position derived from a smart adoption of what we call the One Dragon, One World, One Market concept.
Ganoderma is a king, then Spirulina must be the queen. Ganoderma and Spirulina is not my food supplement, it's my main food. We started at a very small company. We can't even have the money to buy a building, so we rented this office.
What are you planning for Nepal? Would you like to share some?
Yeah. So now we plan to build a factory here.
Factory in Chilca in Peru.